I'm just so excited right now. I can't hold it in. I gotta tell y'all, something came in the mail today, and I am happy. Y'all see that? Let me know if y'all can see that. Tomb45. Say, y'all know what it is, man. It's that time of year. We've been waiting since EWP. They unveiled the Tomb45. Matter of fact, I can't even talk. I'm just gonna show y'all something real quick, so y'all know exactly what I'm talking about.
2 times the air pressure, 3 times the airflow.
Version 2, cordless compressor. Hey, hey. So yes, it's finally here. My BeamTeam XL cordless compressor just came in the mail. I'm gonna open it up, unbox it for you guys so we can see exactly how it comes. I hear something rattling in here, so either that's a good thing or it's kind of concerning. So I don't know what's in the box. Maybe they threw some extras in. Maybe it's some no drip. Maybe it's something to say thank you, man. But here we go. Let's jump right into this.
It's that she go, no, she my flow. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's that
All right, let's see what we got in here. Okay, first thing I see, we got a keychain razor holder, just like what came with the Tomb45 straight razor. Man, we got Tomb45 pop sockets. This has to be the biggest sticker that I've ever seen from Tomb45. Man, I'm gonna love to put this on my mirror at the shop. We got a bunch of smaller ones. As you can see, you know, might throw them on the back of some clippers. I don't know. What we got? Hey, I was right. Got some no drip. They threw the no drip in here, man. No company's doing this stuff, bro. This thing is like $20 a bottle. Oh man. They threw in Royal Wax and Victory Fiber pucks, guys. This is beyond what I paid for. This is all I paid for, and they threw everything else in here with it, man. This company shows love, guys. I promise you. And this is the pre-ordered version. See, nothing else in here. This is what we came for right here. Let me get this stuff out of the way. This is it. Tomb45 BeamTeam XL. Hey, hey. Alright. So we got, looks like a manual. Tomb45 production. BeamTeam cordless compressor XL. So, I don't know if you guys can see this, but just got some, airbrush gun maintenance tips, what the thing does. So, let's just get to the back. We got some specs. It says 2 times the air pressure, rechargeable battery, new heavy duty charge cable, compressor only runs while spraying, giving much longer battery life. New upgraded trigger airbrush gun included. New ergonomic and lightweight design. LED battery charge indicator. And wire brush cleaners included. Works great with the Tomb45 beard and lineup enhancement color. Then you have the warranty contact information. It says get the most natural looking lineup enhancements by using XL's different pressure settings, overspray techniques, and changing the distance in which you spray. For video examples, visit tomb45.com. I love it. Got a picture of my boy Get Beam. Can you guys see that? Right there. And you got the no drip, which they included for me. Hey, hold on. Let's just start with this, man. Man, this thing is powerful. I didn't even mean to hit that button. this is it right here. This thing is a beauty. You got the green stripes. Oh man, hey. You got your charging port right back here in the back. This was a light indicator, as well as the power button, which also was lit up green. Okay, here's the heavy duty charging cable. It's definitely a lot thicker than the previous version. This cable, not that I'm gonna use it, because why? Down here is where the magic happens. I'm getting my power mat and I'll be charging this thing wirelessly through the ecosystem. Oh man, my Tomb45 gun, bro. Oh yeah. Oh man, I'm gonna love playing with this. This is nice, guys. Very, very nice. And we got some cleaning brushes as well. I wonder if that's it, because I noticed that there's no lid this time around for the gun. Unless it's missing. I'll have to contact these guys just to double check on that. But this is it. Let me get it all hooked up and I'll change my camera angle and we'll be right back. Alright guys, so here it is. This thing is a beauty. It's all put together. It's still a 3-click system, just as the previous version. First click for high power. But the difference is, when you turn this one on, the power button is on. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's on right here, but it's not until I pull the trigger that second click, so that's high speed, and then you go low speed. I love that. That right there is gonna save you so much battery. As soon as you're done, it turns itself off, and then, or it doesn't activate it. So then when you're done with that, you hit that power button again, and that's the official turn off. So this is it. We got some Tomb45 branding right here. It says Tomb45 BeamTeam XL on both sides, and then underneath it says Tomb45 BeamTeam. So yeah guys, this is it. This thing is much bigger than the previous version. I actually don't mind it. It's not super heavy. It's not like you're gonna be adding water to this. It's not a water bottle. This thing is just straight air. This is the compressor. This is the size that it had to be to give it double the power from before. Yeah, so if I had to say how big it is, well, you can do that. There you go. Almost about a foot. Almost the same length as my forearm. But yeah, man, this thing is beautiful. Turn it on again. High speed. Low speed. And off. And one other thing that I want to say, guys, is that this Tomb45, man, the company it's amazing, bro. This is actually the pre-order version, and it's also an upgrade. So if you had the previous version, the BeamTeam compressor, you could trade it in and get $85 off, I believe it was. So yeah, this thing is $185, brand new, and they just charged me $100 for it. Now I can't think of any other company that's doing something like that other than a phone company, but even then they're not giving you that much off. They're not giving you half off your phone, or you know what I'm saying? So man, they really blew my mind with this. They're all about the customer. They're all about the barber, and they're really changing the game, man. Straight innovators. This thing right here, I can't wait to get to the shop in the morning and use this. And man, shout out to Tomb45 for continuing to put out so many more products that's changing the game. It does work with the ecosystem, so I can't wait to get my power mat. It has a place already for it. It's gonna look so beautiful just sitting up on my station. And this thing is gonna catch people's eye. They're gonna be like, what is that? You know, certain things that they just never seen in our industry, like the Babyliss Gold FX. Man, as soon as you pull that out, the whole shop knows, because it's not, you know, as far as us barbers go, we recognize it, but to customers, they're like, man, what is that? And I don't care if they're in somebody else's chair, they're looking. And so, and with that being said, man, shout out to Tomb45, all of the stuff that they threw in there, the pucks, the keychain, the free no drip, man. That's, I can't even tell you how much that value is, because I think the pucks alone might be around like $17 a piece, and they gave me 2 of them, 17 to 20 bucks, I can't remember. They gave me 2 of those. No drip is 20 bucks. They threw that in there, man. Plus I get the stickers. You can't never have enough stickers, man. They go on my wall, they go on my station, they go on my phone, my clippers, everything. So man, I'm excited. I'm excited to use this product. You guys go out and cop, pre-order, get your mat, get whatever you got to get, man, to be on top of your game. And hey, this is Mini Weather. I'm signing out, and we'll be on to the next thing. I'll be bringing you guys the power mat as soon as I get it at CT Expo. When I get back home, I can make a video. That's what I'm gonna be showing you guys, the whole ecosystem. Show you the skeleton trimmers. I'm really excited, guys. What is this? It is May 8th, and so we're less than 10 days away, because it's almost midnight right now. So less than 10 days away, and I'm excited about all the products that's coming out, and I can't wait to do unboxes and reviews and everything. So I'll be seeing you guys around. Till next time, peace. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please like it. Thumbs up. If you want more content like this, let me know in the comment section. Subscribe, turn on your notifications, and share this video with a barber, your personal barber, or your co-workers if you're a barber. Thanks, and God bless.